Good afternoon. What matter anticipative bill is required in serious matter where the police is trying to influence by the other party and trying to lodge a in case where you do not have parole. Say this is a non-bailable offense and you require anticipative bail so that your life should be secure and you should socialize. You should not be harassed and tortured. Earlier, the anticipative bail should be filed 438 CRPC, but now the in BNS has NEACT the anticipative file in under section 482. Generally, the anticipative file in two courts. One is session court and second is high court. If the session court rejected the anticipative bill, then you have to go with the copy of the order to the high court and you have to file anticipative bail. And subsection one of earlier CRPC 438 say when you that generally the court you apply for anticipative bail and the court gives you on normal procedure give you anticipative bail. And also in this section 482 of BNS Act say the same thing also. You get the anticipative bail. But section 2 of common for 438 CRPC as well as 482 of BNS check the same thing. There can be some condition also that if you should not leave the country, you should not leave the city, or sometime if the offense is such, then you have to appear in once in a week in the police station also. Then you will not. It was also said that you will not influence the accused and you will not threaten the accused that he should come and give a positive witness in your favor, and you should not force the accused that he should withdraw the case. So these are the conditions which are being decided by the either by the session court or the upper court depending on the reason. So then normally in these cases you get anticipated bail, but section 3 says where section 65 and 70 of new BNSS Act say if the person who had done the crime, serious crime like rape or attempt to murder or uh, in a group rape attempt, then in this matter anticipated bail will not be granted. So I hope you like the information, you find productive. You can use it for your reference and you should learn every day. I suggest and new BNS Act come whenever you get time. You can also open your mobile and you can try to learn new section. At least you can refer this message to a lot of new lawyers coming so that they should get be benefited. Thank you so much listening to me. Regards.